Ancient Egypt, a land of wonders, but for the Hebrew people it was a place of heavy burdens and growing fear. Pharaoh, fearing the strength of the Israelites, issued a cruel decree. Every newborn Hebrew boy was to be cast into the Nile. In this time of darkness, a son was born to Jochebed. He was a beautiful child, and she knew she had to save him. For 3 long months she hid him, her heart heavy with the secret, as the Egyptian soldiers patrolled the streets outside. When she could hide him no longer, she took a basket of bulrushes and daubed it with pitch to make it watertight. With a final prayer, she placed her son in the basket and set him among the reeds by the riverbank. She left his fate to the river, and to the God she trusted would preserve him. His sister Miriam stood afar off to wit what would be done to him. She did not look away for a single moment. The Nile was full of dangers, both seen and unseen, yet the small ark remained untouched and peaceful. Then the daughter of Pharaoh came down to wash herself at the river, and her maidens walked along by the river's side. When she saw the ark among the flags, she sent her maid to fetch it. Curious, she opened the lid, and when she had opened it, she saw the child, and behold, the babe wept. And she had compassion on him. "This is one of the Hebrews' children," she said. Despite her father's law, her heart was moved to mercy. Seeing her chance, Miriam stepped forward. "Shall I go and call to thee a nurse of the Hebrew women?" she asked. And Pharaoh's daughter said to her, "Go." The young girl ran with the speed of a bird to find her mother, and the maid went and called the child's mother. Jochebed was reunited with her son by the very hand of royalty. Pharaoh's daughter said to her, "Take this child away and nurse it for me, and I will give thee thy wages." So the woman took the child and nursed him. For a few precious years, Moses was raised in the faith of his own people, and the child grew, and she brought him unto Pharaoh's daughter, and he became her son. She called his name Moses, and she said, "Because I drew him out of the water." He was raised in all the wisdom of the Egyptians, yet his heart would never forget the people he was born to save. The baby in the basket had become a prince of Egypt, a child of promise destined to change the course of history forever.